there, my name is Priya and I'm from Bihar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first of all, I want to tell you guys that I really struggle to find good vocabulary. I used to read random lists or watch videos but still forget everything. But now I have found a super fun and interesting way to learn and remember every new English word. And yes, ChatGPT plays a huge role in this. So stay with me till the end because I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. And of course, without reading newspapers or reading books or anything like that. So let's jump into the video. Honestly, there was a time when I had no idea. Literally, I had no idea where to find good vocabulary. I wanted to learn, but every time I searched online, it was either boring or too advanced level. But one day, I was just sitting in the library and just scrolling my phone, okay, scrolling around, not on the Instagram, of course, or anything. I was just randomly scrolling and suddenly I just came across this little icon, and when I clicked it, I found so many articles over there. Whoa! And the best part is it's not boring, it's interesting. Now, these articles are so useful. I mean, seriously, you will come across so many new words that you have probably never seen before. And the best part, you're not even studying. You're just reading interesting stuff. Okay, now let's read it together. I'll show you the screen recording right here so that we can read it together. Okay, so you'll find lots of articles over here. So let's just pick the first one and read it together. 6 effective strategies to master self-discipline. Self-discipline is the skill of choosing long-term payoff over short-term comfort. It grows when you set clear goals, build small routines, and arrange your life so good choices are easier. Here are some methods to master the art of self-discipline, which will help in living a better life with more satisfaction. Set clear, bite-sized goals. Vague goals like get fit or study more are hard to act on. Turn big aims into smart goals. Okay. All right. While reading this, I just came across this word, vague. I have heard this before, but never really used it in my daily life. I guess the meaning of this word is not clear. Something I don't remember exactly. Okay, so let's make this word our vocabulary word for today. Now here's where ChatGPT becomes my best friend. You know, whenever I find a new word, I just go to ChatGPT and tell it something like this. Well, let me show you. Hey ChatGPT, help me to learn the word vague. Tell me the English meaning, the Hindi meaning, 3 daily life examples with Hindi translations, and write one short paragraph where I can use this word in context. Yeah, it takes a little bit time, but not too much. So here's what ChatGPT gives me. Okay. The English meaning, the Hindi meaning, example with Hindi translation, and the short paragraph for speaking. Okay, let's read it together. So vague means something that is not clear, uncertain, or lacks details. Okay, I was clear. I was right that the meaning of this word is not clear. The Hindi meaning is अस्पष्ट, धुंधला या अनिश्चित. Now let's read the example. Her answer was so vague that I didn't understand what she really meant. उसका जवाब इतना अस्पष्ट था कि मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि वह असल में क्या कहना चाहती थी. Okay, I have a vague idea about the project, but I need more details. मुझे प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में थोड़ा अस्पष्ट अंदाजा है, लेकिन मुझे और जानकारी चाहिए. He gave me a vague smile and walked away. उसने मुझे एक धुंधली सी मुस्कान दी और चला गया. मतलब उसने एक अजीब सा ही मुस्कान दिया और वो चला गया. Okay, now let's read a short paragraph. Sometimes people give vague answers when they don't not share the full truth. For example, if you ask your friend about her weekend and she says it was okay without giving any details, that's a vague response. Okay, now I'm getting this one. I personally don't like vague explanations because they make me feel confused and curious of what's actually going on. And the best part, I never forget this word after doing this. Why? Because I don't just read it. I used it in my daily life. Okay, let's make an example right now. I asked my mom that what she wanted to have for breakfast. Then she gave me a vague answer. You see that? When you start making your own sentences like this, then I'm damn sure that you will never forget the word again. I'm telling you, my honey. You can do the same thing, okay? Just read an article, and whenever you came across some new words, just go to ChatGPT and tell it this the exact thing that I said before. Okay? And don't forget to make one example, at least one example from your daily life. You get it? Now you know my secret. I don't memorize. I talk to ChatGPT and practice words naturally. So if you want to do this thing, then please try this method once. Okay. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and please drop down a pyara so comment because I love reading your pyare comments. And if you have any question, then you can just ask me in comment section. Okay. See you in my next video. Bye bye.